Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churro French toast, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 6 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for the batter. For the churro coating, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. This sweet and spicy blend is key to our amazing breakfast treat. Now it's time to transform your bread. Take each slice and fully immerse it in the egg mixture, ensuring it's well-coated but not soggy. Next, place the dipped bread onto a preheated, lightly greased griddle or frying pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. This creates the perfect French toast base. The magic happens right after cooking. While your French toast is still warm, generously coat each piece in the cinnamon sugar mixture you prepared earlier. Gently press the toast into the sugar to ensure it adheres beautifully to both sides. This crucial step infuses every bite with that irresistible churro flavor and delightful sugary crunch. It truly elevates this dish to something special. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Serve your warm churro French toast immediately. It's absolutely delicious on its own, but feel free to add your favorite toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream can make it even more decadent. This delightful breakfast or brunch item is perfect for sharing or savoring solo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.